is our HMI. Try to make it like a one-stop shop for everything you need to know regarding the AGV, and anything from where it's at, where it's going, what it's doing, why it's stopped. We've got multiple screens within the HMI here that can give you basic detail or more in-depth detail. We're a custom shop too, so we can provide custom screens that fit your project or your application. However your load handling is going to be, of course we've got mast screen, and you can get details of where the mast is. You can set your offsets. You can actually do local orders as well if you want to do some testing. Say you've got some new points or new stations you want to test out, you can on the screen here without even having to go to a computer and run a local order and do some testing that way. The AGV is stopped and the employees on the floor need to get this AGV rolling again. All that information that they need is here on the screen to see why it's stopped. They can get in here and actually get it moving again. In most applications, just the touch of a few buttons can get this AGV rolling again after you figure out exactly why it stopped. And we've got, of course, different levels of security on these HMIs, so not everybody can come in and run an order or make a change. Also provide some stats over real time of the AGV. For example, here, like the battery screen, we have a battery graph, so you can see essentially how long the batteries are lasting from a full charge to time to charge or low battery. And again, the purpose of the HMI is just to provide you as much detail as possible with everything that's going on with the AGV and any status we can. And again, simplify it as much as possible as well, so that anybody that's on the floor working here can understand what to do, how to get that AGV going again.